Hey everybody, welcome to Meck-Tech Minute. It's Friday, June 12th, 2020, and Northumberland County is going green today. If you stop by later, you might find me at Eclipse Brewing Company in Sunbury having a nice cold beverage. Hope to see you there. Today I want to talk a little bit about buying a lot and building a house. Let's take the scenario of maybe you're in your mid to upper 20s, maybe you have a significant other, and maybe there's a couple kids in the picture and you're tired of paying rent. You want to provide for your family. So why not go find a lot and build a house? Well, I just want to make sure I go over a couple things you need to remember and a couple costs you want to prepare for before you take that big leap. First off, where's the lot? Is it in a subdivision or a planned development? Or is this just a lot that your grandparents cut off from their farm? How big is the lot? Is it a half acre to an acre? Or is it a couple acres? You know, a lot in town or in a subdivision, half acre to an acre, you're probably looking at upwards of $40,000 to purchase that lot. And once you have the lot, you have to start paying real estate taxes on that lot. If you're looking for a couple of acres, 3 or 4, you could be looking at $80,000 just for the lot. Now maybe you found this home plan from a local builder that can be built for $100,000 or $120,000, but you have to remember it's going to be more than just that $120,000 home till you're done paying for everything you need to pay for to get in that home. Is this lot served with public sewer, or is it going to have an on-lot septic system? If there's public sewer, you're going to have to pay an excavator $3,500 to $5,000 to tie the sewer lateral into the public sewer, plus a sewer tap fee you'll owe to the sewer authority. That can range from $500 to several $1,000s. If you have no public sewer nearby and you have to do an on-lot septic system, I would budget $20,000. How about public water? Or are you going to drill a well? If you're at public water, good news is the water company probably won't charge you any fee to tap into their system. They'll collect fees from you for the rest of your life. But you will still have to pay the excavator probably $3,500 to $4,000 to dig the water line trench to tie into the water system. And if not, you're going to drill a well. Hey, I drilled a well at my house last year. It cost me $8,000. I would budget $10,000 to drill a well. Is the lot ready to build the house, or do you have to have the excavator grade the site, cut in a driveway, and how long is that driveway going to be? You're probably looking at $20,000 to grade the site for the house and to build the driveway. You're going to pave it right away or just keep it in stone? Probably paving it later, because that could be another $10,000 to $20,000. And when you're all done, you're going to want to do a little landscaping, even if it's planting grass. But you could look at $5,000 to $10,000 for landscaping too. That house plan you had for $100,000 to $120,000, did that include a garage or not? You know, if you think maybe we'll step into this and build the garage later, you can plan on probably $30,000 to $40,000 for a 2-stall garage. Maybe you can do it a little bit less if you know somebody. So where are we at here? We found this house plan for $120,000, and then we have a $30,000 garage. We've got maybe $15,000 to $20,000 for a driveway and site grading, $20,000 for a septic system, $10,000 for a well. Till you get done putting a few furnishings in the house and finding some permits from the municipality, you're going to be $200,000 or more for that $100,000 house plan. And bear in mind, I'm a little cheap with that $100,000 house plan. The going rate today is $120 a square foot to build a house. So if you have a 1,000 square foot house at $120 a square foot, that's $120,000. If you have a 2,000 square foot house, that's $240,000 just for the house, not to mention all the other prices that I presented here today. So make sure you take time to think hard about whether or not you want to build that new house on a brand new lot and how quickly you want to get that done. But hey, I'll tell you what, that's a lot of information I just went over real quick. But that's what we're here for. We've been doing this every day for almost 50 years, and we're here for you. Give us a call. We'll be glad to go through it with you. See you on the next Meck-Tech Minute.